Welcome to our channel, where we explore financial empowerment and justice within the African American community. Today, we're delving into a topic that's both historical and profoundly relevant: African American wealth and power. If you stick around until the end of this video, I promise to show you how to fight. And if we continue to fight, don't give up, we can win. Free your mind and realize just how epic this moment has actually become. In the early 20th century, the Greenwood district of Tulsa, Oklahoma, famously known as Black Wall Street, stood as a beacon of African American prosperity. This thriving community boasted numerous Black-owned businesses, from banks and hotels to theaters and grocery stores. It was a testament to what we could achieve despite systemic racial barriers. Tragically, in 1921, this prosperity was violently disrupted during the Tulsa Race Massacre, leading to the destruction of countless businesses and homes. Yet, the spirit of resilience remained, and today we draw inspiration from that legacy to rebuild and empower our communities. Credit is more than just a score. It's a powerful tool that can open doors to opportunities such as homeownership, entrepreneurship, and education. However, systemic challenges have historically limited African Americans' access to credit, contributing to the racial wealth gap. By understanding and effectively managing credit, we can begin to bridge this divide and lay the foundation for generational wealth. Understanding credit reports. Regularly review your credit report to ensure accuracy and identify areas for improvement. Disputing errors can positively impact your credit score. Credit scores and their impact. Learn how credit scores affect loan approvals and interest rates. A higher score can lead to better financial opportunities. Support Black-owned banks. These institutions are more likely to invest in our communities and understand our unique financial challenges. Credit unions. Consider joining credit unions that offer favorable loan terms and financial education resources. Starting a business. Leverage credit to fund startups, keeping in mind the importance of a solid business plan and understanding loan terms. Building business credit. Separate personal and business finances to establish and build business credit, opening doors to larger funding sources. Preparing for a mortgage. Improve your credit score to qualify for better mortgage rates. Homeownership is a key avenue for building equity and wealth. First-time home buyer programs. Explore programs designed to assist with down payments and offer favorable loan terms. Stay informed. Be aware of policies affecting credit access and financial services. For instance, understanding the Fair Credit Reporting Act (FCRA) can help in advocating for fair credit practices. Community action. Engage in local initiatives aimed at financial education and support for Black-owned businesses. If you identify inaccuracies on your credit report, promptly file deletion requests to rectify these errors, as they can significantly impact your creditworthiness. In an era where data breaches are common, such as incidents involving unauthorized data access by major corporations, it's crucial to monitor your credit for suspicious activities and consider services that offer identity theft protection. Various organizations and platforms offer tools tailored to the African American community, focusing on savings, investments, and financial planning. You need to take action today. Not tomorrow, but today. In a shocking turn of events, the Department of Governmental Efficiency, or DOGE, has been caught red-handed accessing personal and private information without your permission, without a permissible purpose. By sending a powerful, legally backed demand to each of the credit agencies, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, you can require them to delete all transactional history, balances, and inquiries associated with this unauthorized access. And let's be clear, when your Social Security number was compromised by the government DOJ agency, every account was compromised. Let's start with these blatant violations. You should get a copy of the Fair Credit Reporting Act (FCRA) and read through it to educate yourself. FCRA Section 1681B. Permissible purposes of consumer reports. FCRA Section 1681C. Block of information resulting from identity theft. FCRA Section 1681E. Compliance procedures. These laws are on your side. Under FCRA Section 1681B, no one can access your credit report or social security number without a direct, permissible purpose. And that purpose can't be assumed or transferred, period. Since these credit agencies are not federally regulated, they do not have the right to access or allow access to information without your explicit consent. They need to be held accountable, and you have the power to demand that your private data be deleted. I don't know about you, but I'm doing my black job right now. I want to see all of us succeed together. Imagine if we could clear our credit, start over, pool our monies, invest in our own communities, and launch Black Wall Street 2.0. Don't let them get away with it. Hit that subscribe button, share this video with all of our Black brothers and sisters, and join the fight to reclaim your financial power. It's time to protect what's yours and build ours together. Rebuilding Black Wall Street isn't just about restoring a physical space. It's about reviving the principles of economic empowerment, self-sufficiency, and community solidarity. By harnessing the power of credit and implementing these actionable steps, we can honor the legacy of our ancestors and pave the way for a prosperous future. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, and together we can achieve it. I hope you're not too upset that all the information is at the end of the video, but I won't apologize for urging you to free your mind. You can find the full correspondence template to send to Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion in the description below. Stand up for your rights, protect your financial future, and don't forget to pay it forward. This fight takes all of us. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this information valuable, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights on financial empowerment within our community.